What's the meaning of Bobby Fischer? Bobby Fischer. Bobby Fischer.
Bobby Fischer. Bobby Fischer. Bobby Fischer was an American chess player who was widely regarded as one of the greatest players of all time. He was born in Chicago in 1943 and became interested in chess at a young age. He quickly became known for his exceptional skill and went on to win numerous tournaments throughout his career. Fischer became especially famous for his 1972 World Chess Championship match against Soviet player Boris Spassky, which he won, and which was seen as a significant Cold War victory for the United States. Despite his success, Fischer also had a troubled personal life, and his later years were marked by controversy and isolation.